All right, guys, let's see. It's been 3 hours. Look at this. It smells amazing. Here is our, oh yeah, look at that. It's ready to be shredded. This is gonna make some awesome sandwiches. Look at this juice, looks so amazing. We're gonna make some great dipping sauce out of that too.
Yes, we played a lot of basketball.
While this thing was cooking, we did a little hoopity doops, swashity swash. Now we're gonna let this still simmer a little bit more. Then we'll be shredding it. But now we're gonna make some sauce, get that chilling in the fridge. All right. What we got here is we're gonna do about half a cup of Greek yogurt. About a tablespoon. A tablespoon of mayonnaise.
Organic mayonnaise.
Of course, organic is the way to go, right, son? All right. Some horseradish. This is the key. This is what makes it great.
See?
So we're gonna do a decent amount of that. Get nice and spicy. I think it's organic. Is it organic? Maybe not. Then we're gonna put, what does it say right here?
Organic.
Organic apple cider vinegar, a little bit of that.
Where can we get these stuff?
Mostly Aldi. Then we're gonna add some seasoning. So we got some tarragon, a little bit of that. A little bit of basil.
Organic basil.
And then some oregano.
Speaking
of oregano, I smelled some fresh oregano earlier today.
And this is also used in making spaghetti, which kind of makes sense because of our spaghetti sauce video.
Yeah, and then we got some a little bit of salt and pepper.
What's that?
This is Himalayan pink salt. So yeah, you could probably see nothing but the best for our family, right?
Mix them up. What does it remind you of?
Kind of like mayonnaise, right?
Wait, I thought we already put in mayonnaise in here.
No, this is a special sandwich episode. Let me just smell it. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna put it. Smells good. Smells just about right. Cool. So now we have the sauce. We're gonna put this in the fridge.
For how long?
For about however long it takes me to make the sauce. All right. Next up, we're gonna get these rolls toasted. So these are what we call ciabatta rolls. They're Italian type bread, which goes great with our Italian shredded beef sandwich, right?
Yes, in our Italian trip.
All right. So let's go over to the toaster.
Here's what a toaster looks like.
We'll do 4 sandwiches because I'm not sure how hungry we're gonna be, but 4 ought to do it.
I think you can fit 6 in there.
I think so.
Yes, you can fit a third one. There's 4. It's weird how they stick together.
Yeah, and actually, no, this kind of thing doesn't really matter what side you put them on. We're gonna do 375 or 390 for 5 minutes.
So we're gonna be back in 5 minutes. We're doing another 2 minutes.
All right, so now next step is to make some awesome dipping sauce. So we're gonna start with we got a pan over here. We're gonna put, we'll do about a cup of beef broth.
What does it say on the front?
Simply Nature Organic. Look at that. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And of course a little bit of red wine to really kick it up a notch, right? And then secret, keep her there. I'm gonna add a little secret ingredient.
is.
Soy sauce. There you go. A little bit of that.
There you go.
All right, and then we're going to add some of the juice from our awesome from the meat.
Mm.
So we're gonna let this boil and we're just let this have some nice thick sauce to put on it. And then we're gonna take this meat and shred it. And put it back in the pan. So you can hold tight and watch that. Here it comes. Let's get it out there. So the secret to shredding is you're gonna need 2 forks. So I'm gonna grab those forks. So let's let this boil a little bit. Ooh, hot. Put this lid somewhere else. I'm gonna put this. Actually, I need to stir this up a little bit. We're gonna let this boil over here. Get that reduced, and now we're gonna work our magic on this. We're gonna shred this up. Oh my God, is this gonna be good or what? What do you think? This is gonna be epic.
Let's find out.
Look at that. Is that shredding perfectly? So I know we're all looking forward to digging into this, right, son?
This is going to take really long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it, and then when that's finished, I'm going to record again.
That's a great idea. All right, look at it. It's all perfectly shredded. It smells delish. So we got that going, and there's our au juice over there. This is our little juicy stuff that goes on top. Let's go get our rolls. Follow me. Here's our rolls. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 plates we're gonna make. Actually, we'll make 1. Here's 1. First step, put some of this amazing sauce on. We got the sauce. Oh my God, it looks amazing. All right, now we're gonna put the meat on.
It looks like steak.
It is steak. It's meat, so it's beef.
Wait, is
just
this
like steak.
is this also a tutorial on how to make steak?
This is how to make a Italian beef, shredded Italian beef sandwich.
Wait, is this originally from Italy?
I think it's actually an Italian-American thing. So then we're going to throw some of this special juice sauce that we made.
So many steps in this process.
Yeah, well,
I guess we have to make this 2 parts.
and guess what? A little jardiniere, and we're ready to bite into this amazing recipe. And nope, it isn't organic, sorry.
What do you think it was organic?
That's it, so here's the sandwich. What do you think, guys?
Wait, I'm going to put the top on that.
Yeah, then you put the top on. Now we can go ahead and eat it. And it's going to be amazing.
DadTFP's going to eat it now.
All right, I'm going to take a bite.
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm. 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 Delicious, guys. Thanks for watching.
Anyways, there you go. That's this really cool Italian beef. Anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.